welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Tattooed on My Mind by Sitti on a ukulele. So first, grab your ukulele. Tune it to standard tuning. And let's begin. So una muna tayo sa intro. So first note ay first fret ng C na string. Then hammer pa tong third fret. Then open string ng E. Hammer pa tong second fret. Then second fret ng E. Hammer pa tong fourth fret. Then second fret ng E. Open. Then third fret ng C. Then fourth fret C. Then fourth fret ng G. Then sixth fret, fourth fret, sixth fret. So yun ang first part. Second part, fourth fret ng E, second fret, open, and third fret, and fourth fret ng C. Then balik sa third fret ng C, then fourth fret ng G. Then fourth fret ng E, then fifth fret, balik sa fourth fret, then second fret, then second fret hammer pa to fourth fret. Then last part, dito sa fourth fret ng G, sixth fret, then fourth fret ng C. Then balik sa sixth fret ng G, then fourth fret ng C. 5 times. Okay. Then after nito ay fourth fret ng E, fifth fret, seventh fret. Then balik sa fifth fret, then fourth fret. Then fifth fret na naman, fifth fret again, open, then second fret, third fret ng C, fourth fret ng C, balik sa third fret ng C, then fourth fret ng G, second fret ng G. So ito yung last part. So balik tayo sa first part until sa last part. Then pagkatapos ng intro ay verse. So sa verse ay C sharp minor, then F sharp minor. So pabalik-balik lang yan. Then ang strumming niyan ay down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. May you soon forget about all. Maybe you miss it like I do. One thing's for sure, I'm on that down. Spend too much time thinking of you. Then sa chorus ay A, G sharp minor, F sharp minor, then C sharp minor, F sharp minor na naman, then A, G sharp minor, F sharp minor. Spend too much time thinking of you, and I can't get you out of my dream. Now I know you're a dangerous guy, and the smile is tattooed on my mind, and I can't get you out of my dream. So next part is ang ad-lib. So sa ad-lib is A, then E, F sharp minor, then C sharp minor, F sharp minor, then balik na naman sa C sharp minor, then F sharp minor. And I can't get you out of my dreams. Oh. Hey, yeah. Then sa bridge ay A, then C sharp minor. So gagawin ito 3 times, then after nito ay F sharp minor, then G sharp minor, A, then B. Yesterday I was feeling safe. All I do today is try to be brave. That no melody seemed to soothe my mind. Now I curse you for being so sweet and so kind, and I can't get you out of my dream. Now I know that you're a dangerous guy, and the space is tattooed on my mind. So, yun ang kantang Tattooed on My Mind by Sitti. So, salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.